After ng crossover ng Team Kamao sa Born to Shine, may mga bagong character na papasok sa series at makakalaban ng P-pop girl group na Yumi. Ang isa palaban sa sayawan habang ang isa pa, grand winner lang naman ng GMA Singing Competition. Kilalanin sila sa chika ni Athena Imperial.
Ang mainit na rivalry ng P-pop girl groups na Yumi at Nixie sa GMA Afternoon Prime Series na Born to Shine. Mukhang mas iinit pa? Ang Nixie kasi magkakaroon ng 2 new members. Ang belter na si Lexie Hipolito, played by the first ever The Clash champion, Golden Cañedo. At ang dancer-influencer na si Kendall Domingo, nagagampanan naman ni AC Bonifacio. Hyped up ang dalawa on their first day of taping para sa musical series.
I'm just glad to be here. I always love to do shows that celebrate performing and dancing and singing, and this is one of them, so I'm just glad to be part of it.
In good shape na rin si AC, kaya complex choreography can't stop her.
I was recovering also because I did break my arm last year, so I've been recovering, but we're back at it, dancing again.
Ito naman ang big TV comeback ni Golden after her 5-year hiatus. Ngayong nakagraduate na siya sa kursong BS Nursing sa Cebu.
Binigyan po ako agad ng opportunity dito sa Born to Shine. And of course po, na maipakita ko rin yung talent ko kasi it's my first time po sa serye, sa sayaw.
Next year na raw nakaschedule si Golden mag-nursing licensure exam. For now, i-enjoy ng The Clash Season 1 champion ang kanyang pagbabalik showbiz.
Mapapanood niyo po ako sa All Out Sunday this coming Sunday po. And then sa The Clash, I hope na panoorin niyo po ang The Clash Teens.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings!